Have you ever received the wrong food and did not know what to say? You are hungry, you are confused, and everyone is looking at you. Do you say, "This is wrong," or do you stay silent and eat it anyway? In today's story, Elena orders one thing, but receives something completely different, and you will learn how to complain politely in English without sounding rude. Let us begin. I will tell this story in present simple so you can follow it easily. Okay, let's go. Carla and I are at a small restaurant in Miami Beach. It is our 4th day on vacation. Today, I feel confident. I tell Carla I will order everything by myself. She smiles and says, "Okay, I will not say anything. You are on your own." The waiter comes to our table. He says, "Good evening. Are you ready to order?" I take a deep breath. This is my moment. "Yes," I say clearly. "I would like the grilled chicken salad, please, and a bottle of water." He nods and writes it down. "Very good choice," he says. Carla orders pasta with tomato sauce. The waiter leaves. Carla looks at me and says, "That was perfect." I feel proud. No hesitation, no fear. 10 minutes later, the waiter returns with 2 plates. He places one in front of Carla. Pasta, perfect. Then he places the second plate in front of me. I look down. It is not a salad. It is a large cheeseburger with fries. I blink once, then twice. Carla looks at my plate. Then she looks at me. She whispers, "Practice moment." I look at the waiter. He is smiling. He says, "Enjoy your meal." But this is not my meal, and now I have to speak. The waiter is still standing next to the table. He smiles and says, "Enjoy your meal." My brain freezes. This is not what I ordered, but I do not want to sound rude. Carla looks at me calmly. She does not speak, she just raises her eyebrows slightly. This is my test. I look at the burger again. Cheese, beef, fries. Definitely not a grilled chicken salad. I think quickly, do I say this is wrong? No, that sounds aggressive. Do I say you made a mistake? No, that sounds like I am blaming him. The waiter begins to turn away. If I do not speak now, I will eat this burger. "Excuse me," I say softly. He turns back immediately. "Yes?" My heart beats a little faster, but my voice stays calm. "I think there might be a mistake." He looks at the plate. "Oh? What seems to be the problem?" That question surprises me. The problem? How do I explain it clearly? "I ordered the grilled chicken salad," I say slowly. "This looks like a cheeseburger." He checks his small notebook. Then he looks at the plate again. "Oh," he says, "I am very sorry. That is my mistake." I feel my shoulders relax. "It is okay," I say quickly. "I just wanted to make sure." He nods. "I will bring the correct order right away." He takes the plate and walks away. Carla finally speaks. "That was excellent," she says. I laugh nervously. I was afraid I would sound rude. She shakes her head. "No, you were calm. You did not accuse him. You explained the situation." I look at her. "So saying, There might be a mistake is better than saying, this is wrong? She smiles. Much better. I look at the empty space on the table where the burger was. I feel something important, confidence. While we wait for the correct salad, Carla leans forward. You did very well, she says, but let me show you something even better. I smile. Better than that? She nods. In restaurants, tone is everything. You were polite. That is why he reacted well. I look at her carefully. So what could I say next time? She counts with her fingers. Number 1, she says, excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered. That sounds calm and neutral. I repeat slowly, I think this is not what I ordered. She continues, Number 2, I believe there has been a mix-up. I blink. A mix-up? Yes, she says. It means something got confused. It sounds softer than mistake. I nod. I like that word. She continues. Number 3, would it be possible to change this? That sounds very polite, I say. Exactly, she answers. You are asking, not demanding. I look at the table. So instead of saying, this is wrong, I can say, I believe there has been a mix-up. She smiles proudly. Yes, that sounds mature, calm, respectful. Just then the waiter returns. He places the grilled chicken salad in front of me. Here you are. I apologize for the confusion. I look at Carla quickly. This is another practice moment. I smile at the waiter and say, Thank you very much. I appreciate it. He nods. Of course. Enjoy. When he walks away, Carla says, You see? Polite English makes everything easier. I take a bite of my salad, and I realize something important. Complaining is not the problem. How you complain, that is the key. I look at my salad. It looks fresh. It looks correct. I smile and take the first bite. Then I stop. There is something missing. I look at the menu again. The grilled chicken salad comes with avocado. There is no avocado on my plate. I look at Carla slowly. She smiles. Another practice moment, she says softly. I laugh. You are enjoying this too much. She shrugs. Real life English, I think for a second. This is not a big problem, but I still want what I ordered. The waiter walks by our table. This time, I feel calmer. Excuse me, I say. He turns. Yes? I am sorry, I begin. I think the salad normally comes with avocado. He looks at the plate. Oh, you are right, he says. I am sorry about that. I will bring it right away. I nod. Thank you very much. No tension, no drama, no uncomfortable silence, just calm communication. Carla looks at me proudly. You see, she says, you did not accuse him. You did not say, you forgot it. I smile. Yes, I said, I think the salad normally comes with avocado. She nods. That is soft language, very natural, very polite. A few minutes later, the waiter brings a small plate with fresh avocado slices. Here you are, he says. Thank you, I answer. And this time, I feel something different. Not just confidence, control. I can handle small problems in English. I can speak calmly. I do not need perfect grammar. I just need respectful words, and that makes all the difference. When we finished eating, I sat back in my chair and thought about everything that happened. First, the wrong order, then the missing avocado. 2 small problems, but for me, they were 2 big lessons. Before, I thought complaining in English was difficult. I thought I needed strong vocabulary. I thought I needed perfect grammar. But today I learned something different. You do not need perfect English. You need calm English. You need respectful words. You need soft language. When you say there is a mistake, it sounds neutral. When you say you made a mistake, it sounds like blame. That small difference changes everything. Polite English opens doors. Aggressive English closes them. And today, I did not just practice speaking. I practiced confidence, vocabulary, and polite phrases, restaurant English. Now let us review the most useful phrases from this story. Polite ways to correct a mistake. Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake. Soft and respectful. I believe there has been a mix-up. Very natural, sounds calm and mature. I think this is not what I ordered. Clear and non-aggressive. Would it be possible to change this? Polite request, not a demand. I am sorry, I ordered something different. Gentle and clear. Softening language, very important. Native speakers often soften their sentences. Instead of saying, "This is wrong," they say, "I think this might be incorrect. I believe something got mixed up. It seems like there has been a small confusion." Words like I think, I believe, it seems, maybe, possibly, make you sound polite and professional. Useful restaurant expressions. Could I please have, may I ask about, could you check this for me? Thank you, I appreciate it. No problem at all. Practice challenge. Now your turn. Repeat this sentence out loud. Excuse me, I think there has been a mix-up. Again, would it be possible to change this, please? Very good. The more you repeat, the more natural you sound. This is real English. Not perfect English, not textbook English. Real life English. And now, you can use it too. If you enjoyed this story and want more real-life English practice, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Like this video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who is learning English. More stories, more real situations, more confident English. See you in the next episode.